Hi everyone and welcome back to Mad Investor. So within this video, I'm gonna show you actually how to buy a Symbiote, which is SYMB new token, which is currently taking its storm, and I can kind of see that it's taking its moves on the market. So let's dig into it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it on your phone. To do that, you will need two apps, which is Venom wallet, and the MEXC. So we're going to use MEXC exchange to buy the Venom, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. There are also link in the description of this video to register on the MEXC exchange, so you can grab extra perks, which is off trading fees. So the first thing, register on MEXC. So we actually have the account here, and what we're going to do, we're gonna buy a Venom here. So if you have, we'll need to actually swap Venom for the SYMB. So if you want to kind of buy crypto, you can easily do it on here. By the way, if you have some crypto, you can just use the wallet and just deposit some money here. If you don't have money, then what you would need to do, you would need to buy with a card. And I'm gonna show you quickly how to do it in just a few steps. So after you'll register your account or log in, remember you'll need to go through the KYC verification to actually be able to buy with the fiat, and you'll need to go through the advanced KYC verification. So after, obviously, if you have crypto, you can use the deposit option. If you do not have crypto, go to wallets and press buy crypto. And you will be able to buy crypto with a card in a really simple matter. I'm going to show you how does it work. So I'm going to choose the one to use USD. As an example, I'm gonna buy, let's say 15 bucks of USDT. So we're gonna use USDT for it. For 15 bucks, I'm gonna receive 14.7, and we're gonna use a card for it. So I'm gonna press buy USDT. Please link your cards. I'm gonna press link now. And now I need to fill in all the card details. That's what you'll have to do as well. After linking a card, it will say success. And you'll just need to probably refresh the page, as I remember, because it won't immediately appear. Yeah, so now again, I need to choose the USD. I'm gonna put 15 as before. Payment method, it immediately picked up my card, which is my debit card, and I'm gonna press buy USDT. I'm gonna receive 14.7 USDT for it. Then it will go with my Revolut, because I use Revolut for it, and I'll have to confirm the transaction. So after confirming the transaction, it will say payment is successful. You'll receive the assets in a few seconds. I can go to view my assets. And here I should see in a second. Yes, I have already 14.7. Yes, is it here? It says already on the top, but maybe it's not on the spot. Let's see in the overview. So, okay, so I have it, I think, in the fiat wallet. Yes, I have USDT on the fiat wallet. So first I need to transfer it from the fiat wallet to spot, because we're gonna need to trade. So I'm gonna transfer. You've transferred assets to the trade account. Would you like to trade now? Yes, but I'm going to show you how does it work if you already have the money here. So I have already money on the spot wallet. So you can see that it's here. If you don't see it, you might have the option for hide small balances. So I can see I have 1470. So I'm going to go to trade. And then it tells me this is my assets. Yes, great. I just freshly set it up for you to show you how does it work from the start. And now on the top here, when it says MEXC USDT, I'm gonna type Venom. And I'm gonna look for Venom USDT. And here I'm gonna choose that I want not the limit, but the market price, which is easier. And then I'm gonna choose all the available amounts and buy Venom. So now great, I just bought Venom, it's submitted successfully. So I can see I have 28.4 of the Venom. So now what we need to do, we need to set up the Venom wallet. So we're gonna go actually to the Venom wallet. And here you need to create your account. So you press create new account, press select, and then save the seed phrase, which kind of will give you. And after you will have the account set up. Please remember to write it down somewhere safe, preferably on a piece of paper, so it is not lost. After you create a wallet, you also can do the seed phrase kind of save. So this is kind of an option which I wouldn't exactly recommend, but you know, if you are not holding a big amounts, yeah, that's pretty good. So you can actually save it on your Google Drive and encrypt it with a password, which yeah, I think it's decent, but I always recommend to write it down on a piece of paper. It's just best. So I just created a separate wallet on this account, and as you can see, I have 0 Venom here, right? So what I would need to do, I would need to press receive, and then I would need to copy that address to receive the funds to my Venom. So I'm going to come back to my MEXC and then press withdraw. And here I'm going to withdraw my Venom. I'm going to use on-chain withdrawal because it's not on the MEXC. Yes, I have read and agreed to withdrawal risk, confirm. And I need to paste the address. Then I'm going to choose the network. It immediately popped a Venom network because it's the Venom blockchain, and the fee will be 0.5 Venom. Then withdrawal quantity, I want to withdraw it all, and just press confirm after. Great, confirm withdrawal, and then it will give me the verification option. So I need to verify it with the email and also the Google verification code, which I've already set it up on my MEXC account. Great, it says the withdrawal is successful, so now the system is processing it. So within a few seconds, it should actually, well, actually a few minutes might be, it should arrive on my wallet. And as simple as that, you just bought Venom. Also, while we wait on the transaction, I left some links in the description of this video. So you have a link for the DEX screen. You have the swap coin address, which is going for the Web3 world swap. You have the actual contract address for the Venom coin. You have their Twitter, Telegram, and the official website of the Symbiote Live. With the Symbiote Live, obviously you can grab the contract. It should be exactly the same as the one which I provided in the description. I just made sure that's correct, but for security, you can just go to their website and copy the contract from there. It's very, very easy to do. When you go to the DEX screener, you would actually see the kind of the current price and how does it go. So you can see it's going on 0.0006388, and it's actually going up with current buy volume of 123 and sell volume 93. So current volume is like 216,000. So it's actually grabbing tension, which I think it's pretty good for, you know, everyone looking into that. So let's grab a look. Actually, Venom arrived at my wallet. Yes, it did. Awesome. So now what I need to do, I need to go to the browser because now we want to swap it to the Symbiote. So I'm going to go to browser and I'm actually going to go for the quick swap. So I'm going to go for this link, swap coin address, copy, paste and go. Or didn't, yeah, okay, didn't copy it. So let's just copy again. Yeah, it copied now, looks like it. Paste and go, come on. Yeah, that's the link. And go. All right, terms and service I have read, yes, great. So now the first thing what you need to do is connect the wallet at the top. Then I want to connect my MAD wallet, press connect, and I can see I have that Venom, right? So I have 13.37 of that Venom. So now I'll need to find the contract from that Venom. So as I mentioned to you, you can go to the Symbiote Live and you can actually copy the contract from here. Smart contract address. And I'm going to come back to my Venom and I'm going to select the token and paste that address here. Did it copy it? I think it didn't copy it. Wait. Smart contract address. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Copy. And paste. Great. Symbiote. I'm going to press import. This token doesn't appear on the active. Yes, we know because it's a very fresh token. And I'm going to press max. And now the main thing about the token is that, remember, you need to have some Venom left for the transaction fees, especially when you'll be swapping back from the Symbiote, when, you know, you will see the price reach that you want it, that you will need to swap it back. So I'm going to just say swap 20, let's say 4 or 22. So I'm going to leave something for the options. Then it says possible slippage 5%. That's good. Refundable fee, which is 0.36 of Venom, and price impact is this. So route going from Venom to Symbiote, and I'm going to receive minimum of this. So I'm going to press swap, and then I'm going to press confirm. I'm going to send. The blockchain fee will be 0.002 Venom, which is pretty small. So you can actually leave around maybe 1 or 2 Venom or something like that. I left a bit more. And confirmation. And a few seconds after, because it should be always a few seconds, transaction sent. Okay, I'm going to go back to wallet. And if you, as you can see, I don't see my my Symbiote here, so don't see your token. Refresh to find or manage manually. So I can press refresh to find. If it doesn't find it, you can just press manage manually, and then again paste that address of the token. So I'm going to press actually custom token, and then sorry, it's not on the list, it's on the custom token, and then proceed. And here, boom, I can see I have Symbiote. After, if you want to swap it back, you'll go back to the browser and you'll go back to the swap, and then you'll just change on that kind of middle circle and swap from Symbiote to Venom. And then you're gonna press max and swap it back. As simple as this, you just bought a Symbiote. And I hope you enjoyed that project. If yes, you know what to do, just hit that like and subscribe. Tell me in the comment what you think about it, and if you're a part of this community as well. See you soon, and well, I wish you all the best luck. Rafael Sibila here, Mad Investor.
Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures we found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds, unlocking the secrets of the block.